Introducing the 2022 Volkswagen Passat Elegance 2.0tdi M6F 150 4-door in sleek grey. Packed with top-of-the-line features like air conditioning, satellite navigation and lane departure warning. This saloon is the epitome of luxury and safety. With ABS, parking assistance and collision avoidance braking, you can drive with peace of mind. The chrome package and privacy glass add a touch of style and security. This vehicle also boasts a stop and start system for efficiency and a Powertrain Warranty for extra assurance. Rest easy, knowing it has a full multi-point health and safety check and comprehensive warranty. Call us or visit laharts.ie for more details on this exceptional Volkswagen Passat.